Hey everyone. So I know there's a lot of concerns about AI taking our jobs, and it's true that there are many people that have been laid off because of AI, but there's a few things that I want to share with you that you may not have heard from the news. First of all, some of the big companies that have laid off IT staff because of AI have begun slowly rehiring them. Many times they've learned that the marketing hype about AI being able to do anything is not true. In fact, what I've found is that AI works best when it helps humans, not when it replaces them. The other thing that's important that you may not have seen is that some of these companies that have laid off IT staff have begun rehiring staff, but in different AI focused roles. So that's an important thing to keep in mind. And the final piece of information that I haven't seen much in the news, but it's really important to me, there are hiring companies that laid off recruiters not long ago because of all the firing issues, the laying off issues, the fact that very few companies were hiring. Recently, those hiring companies have begun rehiring some of the recruiters. Coming down the pipe, they see a new wave of IT hiring, primarily focused on AI-related jobs. So what do you do with this information? Well, my suggestion is to begin learning as much as you can about AI right now, because just like a few years ago, you had to know the internet to be able to do a job. Now it's going to be the same thing with AI. So begin learning how AI works, not just using ChatGPT or Claude, but how does it work under the hood? Learn more about machine learning, because that's what AI is based on. So I know it's difficult right now with many companies laying off IT workers, but I think that really soon we're going to see that turn around and we'll see more companies hiring AI-focused roles.